Here are 3 of the best crypto campaigns with easy tasks that you definitely shouldn't miss if you want a chance to earn free crypto. First, the Binance 9th Anniversary campaign. Your task is simple. Create a post, image, video, or message for Binance's 9th anniversary. You can share your wishes, advice, support, favorite memories, or even a creative idea. Don't worry if you're not a designer. You can create an image with AI. Just be creative. After posting, reply under the official campaign post using the required hashtag. Then, copy your comment link, paste it into the survey form, and include your X username. Now, let's talk about the rewards. They are huge. 9 winners will each receive 300 USDC. Second, another great Binance campaign. Imagine you're sitting in Binance's boardroom as the community experience officer. Your mission is to share one valuable suggestion for bStocks that could improve the product or user experience. Think like a CEO. Do a little research, be creative, and provide a thoughtful idea. Reply or quote repost the official campaign post with your suggestion. Then copy your post link and submit it in the survey form along with your X username. The rewards are excellent here as well. 10 winners will share 1,000 USDC. Third, the biggest campaign comes from Bitget. Quote, repost the main post or leave a comment sharing your authentic experience with rToken. It can be a product review, a comparison, honest feedback, or a real experience that helps other users. Just make sure it's genuine, insightful, and useful. After posting, fill out the campaign form. Now, for the rewards. The first place winner receives 2,000 USDT. Second place receives 800 USDT. Third place receives 300 USDT. And that's not all. Every single week, 40 winners will each receive 50 USDT. These campaigns require very little effort, but the rewards can be massive. If you're already active on X, don't miss the opportunity. Good luck, and I hope to see you among the winners.